G'day, we're Katie and Paul from the Feel Good family and we're proud brand ambassadors for Outback Tracks.
We're here to talk you through the products that we use every day and that can absolutely add value and make a difference to your camping experience no matter what your setup. We're going to start with their famous #1 best-selling product. It is the Rollout Awning Anchor Kit. The Rollout Awning Anchor Kit, it does suit all rollout awnings. Let's show you what you get in your kit. Starting with, of course, their famous Ground Dogs. Isn't that a great name? It's 250mm stainless steel. Look at that aggressive thread. There's a 19mm head on the end. There are 6 in this pack. 4 of these come with this adjustable wing collar. That means you don't have to get the peg all the way in the ground to secure your Ground Dog. And then the other 2 are with the hook collar. These are perfect for holding in the safety spring. Probably the best invention that we've seen on the market, in that this is also known as the toe saver. If you've ever stubbed your toe on one of those nasty springs, you know what I'm talking about. But this flexible rubber compound spring absolutely is a game changer. Also in here, if you've got kids like we have, the high-vis strap with cam buckle will help prevent some nasty accidents. And there's also, again, a high-vis strap holder there. There's 2 of those for you. If you have got legs with your awning, there is the awning leg plates, 2 of those, also stainless steel. Of course, you'll need your drill adapter. That's a 19mm head socket. And very cleverly designed, this also is the standard size of your stabilizer legs. So you can use this in your drill for not only your Ground Dogs to secure your awning, but also to get your stabilizer legs up and down. Very clever thought. And a bit of a bonus in your kit, you'll get 4 of these. What are these, guys? Katie will tell you a little bit more about them, but these are your awning hooks. Great little invention. So there you have it, the Rollout Awning Anchor Kit. It is their #1 selling product for good reason. You can check out more details on their website, but right now let's get Katie to talk about the Ground Dogs, the big dogs, and those awning hooks.
Let's talk about the world famous Ground Dogs. They are, of course, the stainless steel 250mm screw-in pegs. Look at that aggressive thread with that 19mm head. These guys are suitable for securing your awnings, your tents, your camping equipment and gazebos into just about any type of ground cover. They do form the basis of the Rollout Awning Anchor Kit for your caravan or motorhome. You can also purchase them separately, and there is a new 10-pack kit that comes with 10 of the Ground Dogs screw-in pegs, 10 of these great hook collars that can connect to those innovative safety springs, and the 19mm drill socket and adapter, which goes directly onto your drill, making getting these babies into the ground a breeze. Now, if you were impressed with the aggressive thread on the Ground Dog screw-in pegs, then check this out. They are aptly named the Big Dogs, and these guys are fantastic for whenever you find yourself in softer ground conditions. Now, we've had a bucket load of rain in Australia over the last 2 seasons, so there is plenty of soft ground and gravel campsites out there where these guys will be your best friend, safely securing your awning, your camping equipment, your gazebos and tents when the ground is much softer. And finally, a personal favourite product of mine, these nifty little awning hooks. Such a clever product designed to just slip seamlessly into the sail track of your awning on your caravan or motorhome. And so many uses. They're great for hanging your washing on coat hangers or miscellaneous camping items like torches. They're also really great for lifting up those extension cords if you are running a cord out to a fridge freezer in the back of your tow vehicle, getting it up off the ground so it's not a trip hazard. Or we also hook up our beautiful festoon lights that we like to hang around our campground. They come in this great pack of 10 and you can find them on the Outback Tracks website alongside all of the other innovative products designed to withstand Australia's harsh conditions and complement every camping setup.
So there's just a few of the amazing products from Outback Tracks that we guarantee will absolutely add value and complement every camping experience.
And if you're after travel inspiration, check out our YouTube channel, The Feel Good Family, and start planning your next road trip adventure.
Safe travels, and we'll see you on the road.